Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you haven't seen it, the first part of this video will be linked in the description box below, and in this video I'm just going to show you guys my very quick, very fast glam. So for the first part, for the base, how I perfected my face base, just click on the description box below, and in this video you'll be learning how I make myself look super nice, super cute, super beautiful, super nice and easy looking makeup kind of girl. So before we get into the video, if you haven't already done that, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so every time I'm posting a video you'll get a notification. And also, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up so I can see you guys next time too. And let's just not waste any more time, get into this video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Hey my angels, so there we go for this quick neutral pinkishy cute glam. I'm going with my brows first. So for brows I'm using my Benefit brow styler and I'm using in shade 3.75. I love doing my brows with this, especially when I'm in like rush or something and I know I just want to get it done and have a nice shape, don't want to spend like hours perfecting my brows. Then I always pick this product. It's so easy to use and is so amazing. The only downside is it doesn't have a spoolie, but again, you don't get everything always. To carve my brow bone and just to clean up the brow area and also to conceal, I'm using my Milani Cosmetics Concealer in shade Cashmere. It's one of my favorite concealers, and I'm also going to use this as my eye base. So I'm just going to apply this quite generously on my eyes, and I'm just going to set everything in place using a little bit of a translucent powder. You can use any bone color eyeshadow or any translucent powder. For the eye look, I'm using the Huda Beauty very first eyeshadow palette. I think it was the Rose or Dusk palette or something. This is the only big palette from Huda Beauty I own, because I really prefer her small eyeshadows. Now I'm picking up a really light mauvey pink shade and using that as my transition. And now I just picked up the shade Angelic, which is one of the glitters. In her palettes, the glitters always work better with your finger. If you try to do it with your brush, it's a total mess. That's the only reason I do not like getting her big palettes, because the consistency in her eyeshadows are very irregular. I'm using the same shade as the transition shade just on my lower lash line. You don't have to apply anything on your lower lash line if you don't want to. And for the blush, I'm using Natasha Denona blush, and it's a cream blush in palette is Citrus. I love using that palette because the shade of the blush is a very peachy tone, which is my favorite. For bronzer, I'm using a butter bronzer from Physician Formula. I just picked up the bronzer, it's the same butter bronzer, just in the Cassie Holmes collaboration with Physicians. It's exactly the same product, and I'm just applying this on where I want a little bit more warmth and a little bit more glow. I picked up the same shade of the color, the blush color from Natasha Denona palette, and just added a little bit more pop of pink. And from the same palette, I'm picking up the cream highlighter and just applying it on the high points of my face. As mentioned, I'm not going a lot with the highlighters for this video. I'm keeping it pretty matte. It's just I'm not feeling the highlighters that much at the moment. I'm liking the skin with a little bit of a glow, just an internal glow kind of thing, and a lot of pinky cheeks. So for my mascara, I'm using my favorite right now, and that's from Loreal, and it's a Voluminous Superstay mascara. Absolutely loving this mascara. Even if you don't wear falsies, it does give you a really nice falsie wearing effect. For my lips, I'm using my Hard Candy Plumping Lip Serum, and I will be mentioning the shade later in the video. This plumping lip is one of my other favorites apart from the essence ones, but I still prefer more essence. And to set everything in place, I'm using my Glow Recipe Watermelon Facial Mist.
Guys, so there we go. This is my completed quick get ready with me. This is kind of like my go-to glam right now. I just like to put a little bit of sparkle, a little bit of blush, and that's it. I'm trying not to use a lot of highlighters lately. I'm just loving this whole matte kind of look. And my go-to apart from the essence ones, my current go-to plumping lip gloss right now is this from Hard Candy. It's the Plumping Serum. They have so many different colors. Apart from the essence ones from drugstore kind of thing, this is my favorite plumping serum. This is from Hard Candy, and the shade I'm wearing today is 1406 After Hours. This is so good. So this is my quick get ready with me. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I shall see you guys next time. Love you. Take care. Be safe. Be happy. Be positive. And see you guys soon. Bye.